Welcome everyone. Today we're going to understand the eligibility criteria for JEE Advanced 2026, one of the most prestigious engineering entrance exams in India. Knowing the rules is just as important as preparing for the exam itself. So let's go step by step. To begin with, only the top 250,000 candidates from JEE Main Paper 1 are eligible to appear for JEE Advanced. This includes all categories combined. Now within this, seats are distributed across categories: Open, Gen Us, OBC NCL, SC ST with horizontal reservations for PWD candidates. So, your JEE Main rank is the first gateway. Next, the age criteria. General category candidates must be born on or after October 1, 2001. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, there's a 5-year relaxation, so they must be born on or after October 1st, 1996. Also, you must have appeared for Class 12 or an equivalent exam for the first time in either 2025 or 2026 with physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subjects. If you passed Class 12 before 2025, you're not eligible. There's no minimum percentage required in Class 12 to just appear for JEE Advanced. But for IIT admissions, General and OBC candidates must score at least 75% aggregate or be in the top 20 percentile of their board. SC, ST and PWD candidates must score at least 65% aggregate or again be in the top 20 percentile. Remember, this percentage is calculated over 5 subjects: physics, chemistry, mathematics, 1 language and 1 additional subject. Now, the attempt rules. Each candidate can attempt JEE Advanced a maximum of 2 times in 2 consecutive years. If you've already been admitted to an IIT in any program, you cannot appear again. However, if you accepted an IIT seat but withdrew before the last round of seat allotment, you remain eligible. Foreign nationals have a slightly different set of rules. They don't need to appear for JEE Main. They must have completed Class 12 or equivalent with physics, chemistry and math recognized by AIU. The age limit is the same as Indian students, born on or after October 1, 2001, with 5-year relaxation for PWD. They also get a maximum of 2 consecutive attempts. Importantly, they are considered under the 15% supernumerary IIT seats, specifically reserved for foreign students. To wrap up, qualify JEE Main and secure a place in the top 250,000. Check age and academic year eligibility. Make sure your board performance meets IIT admission rules. Plan your attempts carefully. Only 2 consecutive chances are allowed. And finally, keep checking the official website geadv.ac.in for updates. Success in JEE Advanced requires not just hard work, but also clarity about these eligibility rules.